What's up? I'm at another place.
We were here earlier today,
Yes.
and we were back.
How do I look?
Mardi Gras-ish. Oh, look, there's more.
Ugh. Pizza.
Okay, we're at Levin's.
Are you sure? Oh yeah, this is Levin.
We were here today, and this is for display only, apparently.
It does not smell that bad. Ew, colorful. I like this bed one. That's a fishy. This is my favorite bed. It looks like a couch.
Come sit.
This is uncomfortable. I don't like that pillow though.
It's leathery and